everybody, today we're going to learn to make flan. These are the stuff you need. Evaporated milk, Nutella milk, 2 eggs, sugar, a pot for you to put in, and you have to put everything in it. This is for sugar to burn it. This is where we're going to put the flan in, the water. And this is a pot of water, just like that one right there. Okay, wash our hands. Now that we've washed our hands, get a napkin and dry them up. There. Okay, the first step that you will need is the sugar. The thing that you have to do for the sugar is open it. Let me open it. Okay. Pour some sugar in there and here. This is to show you what to do. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is enough. You put this in here. You put it up to, I think, 20 minutes. Okay, then first you put this right here. Then you do this. Then you let the sugar is melting on the small pantry. We are going to look at it and see how it burns to see if it's correct. Look at it till it turns brown. I think it's already melted, so you can put it in here now. Careful because it's really hot. Mix it around for taste. And then what you do is put it in the fridge, put it in the refrigerator, over here, in this one. Oh, wait, in that one. And then you wait for it to burn and to get cool. See you next time. And I pour in this inside the pot. Then you put in the other one. Then you pour in the Kalina, like, whatever it's called. Okay. Then you pour in the other one. And then you need to crack the eggs. And then the next one, It'll be really tasty. Okay, I'm done mixing. Okay, well, we have to mix this slowly so it doesn't drop everywhere. Okay, it's ready. So now we have to pour it. We have to open the fridge and get the sugar. See, it's cracked. Close the fridge. Okay, now we will put it here and pour this in there. Alright, it's already mixed, so you have to pour this inside this pot. Slowly. Careful. That's enough. It's going to be done in 2 hours. It's almost done. It's already done. It looks very tasty. You can try this at home. And look at the flan. It's beeping, so you have to get it out. That means it's ready. Well, the flan is done. So now you have to let it cool off. This is how it looks like. It's really hot. The water's really hot, so you have to be careful and put it in the fridge for it to cool off. Then you can eat it until the day. Let it cool off, and you put it in the fridge for 12 hours. And I'll go open the fridge. Oh, not this one. This one. Alright. Let it cool off until the morning, and it'll be ready and tasty. Thank you for watching Ludo's Pet Shop Cooking Show. The flan is done, so I am going to show you the flan. Alright, I'm opening the fridge. Oh, wait, not this one. This one. The flan is right here. There. Okay. This is how it looks like. Now we're going to cut it in the sides. Alright. Then we're going to flip this big one on top of this. There. You see? Okay. Now I'm going to flip all of it. Now I'm going to flip all of it. Well, now it's flipped. So now you have to push it up. And look at that flan. Doesn't it look tasty? Well, we're cutting. Well, we're done cutting it. So now we're going to put the plate on top. Then flip it over. Okay. Okay. Now, bring it to get out. See, it's coming out from there. It's already off. So now you pull it up. And there you go. Your delicious flan. And put some sugar on it.